elementary school.
Yes, and he was cute. And I was like, girl, I want to be your friend. You standing out looking all cute and stuff.
Boy, you know this ass super fat.
It's just scratch off for the True Religion store in Orlando.
If you want it, if you want it, if you want it, if you want it, if you want it,
I do that.
if you want it, if you want it.
We are going to give you 2 VIP tickets, and then on Sunday, you get styled by Sexyy Red.
Wait, so nice to meet you.
Oh my God. Okay, can I keep you on? I'm so, oh my God.
I feel really excited. I feel like I just got blessed today. So I'm so very glad that I got this opportunity, and I'm so glad that you guys are like so amazing right now. Love Sexyy Red. My sisters love Sexyy Red. Like, I'm just so excited. Oh my God, Cassidy.
Give her a hug.
It's okay, sweetie.
So when I was chosen at True Religion, I was feeling a little nervous at first because I thought they were bullshit. Like, I thought they were lying. This is my first ever concert, and now I'm going in the back of the stage with Sexyy Red. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I'm just happy. I'm happy. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I'm actually kind of excited to do a whole makeover. I can't wait for the fashion. Like, I can't wait to actually, like, put that on and, like, be outside, show everybody, and hang out with Sexyy Red, like, have one-on-one talk. Because, like, I never met a celebrity before, so she'll be my first celebrity, you know? This is a big festival. Should we just walk around? Okay, come on.
Right now, I just got off the stage at Rolling Loud, and we finna dress a fan, a lucky fan.
Hey, I'm Cassidy.
You Cassidy? You the lucky fan?
Yeah.
Okay, period.
Oh my God, there's so much cameras.
You look cute. You're pretty. Being cute, it make you feel good. It bring you mood up. If you was sad, if you get cute and get your hair done, throw on some clothes, you're gonna feel way better for sure.
You want me to try this?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, I like these.
This shirt cute too, though.
Y'all got some good clothes.
Oh, okay, period.
What?
Period.
What? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling
Your first outfit
good.
was cute too, though.
Thank you.
I like meeting my supporters because they the ones got me out the trenches, and I would not be who I am if it was not for my supporters. If it wasn't for her with me, I wouldn't be who I am, so thank you.
And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be as lit.